guys, it's Randy. Welcome back to my channel. So I have been wearing my hair straight for about 3 weeks now. So it was definitely time for a wash day. And I wanted to go ahead and pair the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream and my DIY Flaxseed Oil Gel. I really wanted to use some good moisturizing products since I have been wearing my hair straight for 3 weeks. I felt like it was getting really dry because my hair is trained to be washed every week and deep conditioned every week. So I wanted to go ahead and get some moisture back into my hair. I have already washed my hair and deep conditioned my hair. I washed my hair with the OGX Tea Tree and Mint Refreshing Scalp Shampoo. I'll usually use the Trader Joe's Peppermint and Eucalyptus shampoo, but I didn't have any. I was at Target. I saw this one, so I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. And it felt so amazing on my scalp, you guys. Like, I love any shampoos that have peppermint or tea tree oil because that mint and everything, when it hits your scalp, it feels so refreshing and so good. And then I deep conditioned my hair with the Yall Organics Babuasu and Mint Deep Conditioner. I'll go ahead and hop right into it. And if you guys don't know, I like to do my wash and goes in 4 sections, and then I break those 4 sections in half. Here comes Mila making her grand entrance again. Get some of that Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. This is going to be my first time using it for a wash and go. I did use it for a twist out, and I do have a video. I'll link that in the description box. And my hair was so fluffy. I did on stretched hair and I loved it. So I did definitely want to try it with a wash and go. Really want to work the product into your hair. Now I'm going to be using my flaxseed gel. Anytime you use, I'm going to start off, you guys probably can't see it, with a small amount, but anytime you use flaxseed gels, you want to make sure that you use a really good creamy leave-in or styling product in your hair. And I love flaxseed gel, you guys. I haven't used it in so long because I've been using Wetline Extreme because the hold on Wetline Extreme, but I wanted to go back to flaxseed gel for a minute because it's so moisturizing. Like, I love how moisturizing it is. And it always leaves my hair so soft and fluffy. And I like fluffy wash and goes for the spring and summer. And always make sure you get your roots. You don't want to have a bomb wash and go and terrible roots. Just think about it. Like, if you were, when you used to straighten your hair, did you forget your roots? No. So why would you forget your roots when you're doing a wash and go? It makes sense, right? So this is what my hair is looking like so far, you guys. Curls are defining nicely. Oh, I'm so excited for this wash and go. So I'm just gonna be doing the same thing, you guys, applying the Twist Elongating Style Cream and then the flaxseed gel on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through. And I'm gonna be doing a combination of raking and smoothing, as you guys see me doing, to apply the product. So let me go ahead and speed through, you guys. Alright, you guys, so I have completed my whole head. The product is in. Y'all, the way that this cream melts into my hair, I can't even describe it. But my flaxseed gel, I learned how to make this also from Whitney, the maker of this cream, or Naptural85, if you know her on YouTube. She makes DIY flaxseed gel all the time. I learned how to make it from her. I've been making it for years. I don't know why I left, but I might be going back. But anyway, I just want to show you guys what my hair is looking like right now. Nice and shiny. Alright, you guys, I am back. I have blow dried my roots. My hair is all dry. I usually don't blow dry my hair on camera because, you know, blow dryers are loud and I like to be able to either see or hear my daughters. So I usually blow dry my hair in the room or in the bathroom near the room where my daughters are, so I can see them at least. But excuse me. All that I do is I just take a regular blow dryer and I just blow dry my roots in a downward motion, just like this, just as if I was sitting under a dryer. And then I did go ahead and go in with some of my oil blend. I think this is olive oil, jojoba oil, and sweet almond oil, a little bit of vitamin E oil mixed in this container right here. Put it on my hands. Just go down to break the cast, the gel cast. There's a slight gel cast with flaxseed oil, not like a super crunch like you would get with a wet line extreme, of course, because the hold is not as extreme, but there is a slight gel cast. So I do go ahead and break the gel cast like that, and then I put some on my fingertips. Give myself a scalp massage. I do this every time I do wash and goes, you guys. Give myself a scalp massage because to me, not putting oil on my scalp after I wash my hair, it's like the equivalent of getting out the shower and not putting lotion on my body. So yeah, so I go ahead and just, you know, give myself a scalp massage like that. But these are my final results, you guys. Nice, pillow soft, airy curls, just like I like for the summer and the spring. I love flaxseed gel, you guys. It's so moisturizing. I don't know why I stopped using it. I might have to go back to it because I absolutely love it. It doesn't have the hold, like I said, of a wet line extreme gel, but it does my hair so good. It moisturizes my curls so good and it leaves my hair so soft. I love it, like the flow of it all. But anyway, that is it for this video, guys. So the flaxseed oil gel and the melanin hair care together works wonders for me. I will definitely be using these two together again, because like I said, I love my hair. Look at the shine, like it's amazing. Look at the definition. It has the right amount of definition and the right amount of frizz to give you that amazing wash and go. Like, I love it. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe. I mean, come on, you made it all the way this far. You might as well just go ahead and subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. I post every day on my Instagram. You'll see my daughters on my Instagram, some of my DIYs, just everything, things that I'm cooking, my day-to-day life. Follow me at naturally_fearless over on my Instagram page, guys. And that is it. Pillow soft curls. But see you later, boos.